Welcome to the Digitally Infinite channel. Today we're going to show you the Jamboard, the latest whiteboard technology from Google. Jamboards are a 4K 55-inch screen made by BenQ and stuffed full of Google goodness. They come in three colours, red, blue and grey. They're wall mountable, or you can set them up on a compatible trolley. You get a handy little magnetic tray with two digital markers and a soft touch eraser. A built-in small video conferencing camera on the top helps with video conferencing. And you get the usual connections like USB-C, HDMI and an optical audio all on the back. You can also send PDF versions of the drawing to colleagues and external parties. Anyone can collaborate on the whiteboard session using an Android or iOS tablet, otherwise you can watch it live through your standard Chrome browser. One key element is to be able to jump on a video conference at the same time and share what you're drawing on the board. If the participant on the other end has an Android or Apple device, they can pitch in live at the same time remotely. Your standard functions that the board helps you with are auto-formatting of text, standard resizing of objects, drawing using the pinch and finger gestures, and simple erasing of objects using the pad eraser. Also, you can add additional frames when you need more room or for a different topic. Where the Jamboard starts to differ from the traditional whiteboards is the ability to do Google searches, upload documents, paste images, and grab screenshots straight from the web and add it to your board. You get a handy little post-it notes for when you go off topics or on a different tangent and you need to park it for a later time. All in all, this board is a true replacement for your traditional whiteboard. So chuck out your old markers and pick up a Jamboard.